All right, guys, we got detailed deliveries breakdown numbers for every single vehicle model. By the way, so I've been giving away these Nomi boxes to just basically random customers in the store and helping them sell NIOs. And this is, of course, coming out of my own pocket. All right, I'm not getting paid to give this out. I bought this myself, and I'm giving it out, just for fun. And then one of the NIO sales reps saw me doing so much work, they decided to give me one of this as a payback, I guess. So this is very nice, inspiration mug. That is what it looks like. Very, very hefty, very good. Like this mug. I like this mug. Very nice. So we're going to look at data from October 9th to October 15th. Now the week before that was the vacation week, so we're going to not compare information to that week, but the week before that. All right, so it's going to be the first week of October versus the third week of October. Last week, we delivered 1,650 ES6s, which is up from 1,560 by 90 vehicles. For the ET5 and ET5T, we delivered 864 vehicles, which is down 405 from 1,269. For the ES8, ES8, we delivered 359, which is down 320 from 679. Okay, so ES8, we were forming all-time highs in deliveries for the ES8, but that has since come down. The 777 delivered 133 vehicles, which is down 212 from 345. And then we got the EC6, which is picking up pace slowly but surely, 512 deliveries, which is actually down 74 from 593 compared to the first week of October. What this tells me is perhaps people aren't back from vacation yet. I mean, it's understandable. If you have kids that go to school, of course you'll be back. But if you don't, maybe people are just exploring a bit more. And also something you got to think about is some people, they don't take the vacation during the national holiday period because it's so crowded. And then they take their vacation after it. That way, when they go to different touristy areas, it's not that crowded. So what does that all look like when plotted on a chart? Of course, here we go. Yeah, this is actually, I'm pretty happy, well, sort of happy to see these results. The first happy thing is, of course, the ES6 has bottomed in terms of weekly deliveries, weekly insurance numbers. We found a bottom for the ES6, which is nice. We want this to turn up, and I've been hoping that we do not continue the downtrend, which is very nice. But the ET5 and ET5T, ET5 and ET5T making not an all-time low, but getting there, very close to all-time lows. This is not very nice in my opinion, but it's turning around very soon. They might have to do another round of promos. And then the ES8 has been gaining so much steam. People were really loving this car, and deliveries not that much there. I think this might be an anomaly, because people still like the ES8. People still want the ES8. The NIOs that I've sold, several of them are ES8s. People really like the ES8. So it could be a possibility of just the really rich folks are still on vacation. They're not back yet to take delivery of the car. All right. And then we got the EC6, which is picking up, but slowly chugging and slowly getting there, slowly but surely. We want to see this pick up to at least maybe like 800, hopefully 800-ish. That would be very nice. And then the 777, for the first week of October, we had pretty good numbers. But then this week, 133, this is actually the lowest number, all-time low in terms of 777 deliveries. Not very good. But if you see my interview with the head product manager of the EC7, well, he did tell me that it is a very niche product and the ES7 is due for a refresh. So it's understandable that the 777 does not sell that well. So an interesting figure to look at is the EC6 plus the ES6 numbers, which we'll call it SUV sales. And we can tell that SUV sales for the first week of October was 2,153, and for the third week of October, 2,169. So SUV sales are actually doing all right, in general. Still maintaining above 2,000. We want that to stay consistent. Now, how about the competitors? It's very interesting to look at competitors. For competitors, let's take a look. First one is Zeekr 001, which is one of the biggest competitors. They just recently launched the FR version of the 001. That car is a beast. So they delivered 1,835 for the third week of October. Compared to the first week of October, that was down 213. First week of October, they delivered 2,048. BMW i3. So BMW i3 delivered 1,230, which is down 769 from 1,999. Cool. And then BMW iX3 569, which is down 372 from 941. So across the board, BMW, Zeekr, we're all seeing deliveries decrease for these guys as well. So it's not just NIO's deliveries falling, everybody's deliveries are falling. So if we plot that on a chart, what does that look like? Well, here we go. Very happy to proclaim that the ES6 is now retaking the second spot in the best-selling vehicle EV model, all right, in terms of these big three. Zeekr 001 still ahead of the pack. BMW i3 just fell off a cliff. NIO ET5 dropping. BMW iX3 also dropping. EC6 getting there. ES8 dropping, and 777 also dropping. Very interesting. The EC6 is very close to BMW iX3 now, so maybe EC6 deliveries could surpass BMW iX3 in the coming weeks. That would be very, very interesting to look at. Now, if you take a look at the overall market share compared to these three, we could still see that NIO has a solid 49% market share. For BMW and Zeekr, it's pretty much 25, 25, 25, 26. These are all pure EVs, by the way. So even though delivery results don't look that pretty, I think the big takeaway is NIO is still ahead of the pack, the leader, all right? And it's very unfortunate to see that NIO's market cap is very, very low. I don't think it should be that low, but this just proves that, deliveries for some vehicle models are dropping a little bit, but overall, market share-wise, NIO is still number one. Now, offering my own forward-looking statements, I think that going forward, SUV sales will continue to be all right, decent. I do expect ES8 deliveries to get back up to about 500-ish, hopefully. And this could be all a case of people not fully back from vacation yet. I hope you learned some valuable information in this video. Please subscribe, hit the bell, like, and share this video. Let other people know that NIO is still number one. All right. As always, stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.